Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. And those who are here for the first time, my name is Emma and welcome. Today will be lesson number 7. Okay, let's get started. So, first word, the key. The key, the, ka, I, key. The key, the, ka, I, key. The key. The key in English is aching of the body or curly. Okay, so bawi, 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 ba, wa, I, we, bawi, ba, wa, I, we, bawi. Bawi in English is numbness, or you can say carrying something on your back. That's bawi. Okay. The D. The, da, ed. The D. The, da, ed. The D. So the D in English is gallbladder. Gallbladder. The D. Okay, so next one, a D. A, da, I plus he. D. A D. A, da, I plus he. D. A D. So a D in English is wings. Okay, next one, a he. A he. A, sa, I plus he. He. A he. A, sa, I plus he. He. A he. Common way to say it's he is a chi. But when people read it, like in a book or in a text, we use as he instead of a chi. Okay, so next one. Ba-i. Ba-i. Ba. A. I. I. Ba-i. Ba. A. I. I. Ba-i. So ba-i in English is sticky rice. Ba-i. Okay, so next one. A ri. A ri. A. Ra. I. A thi ri. A ri. A. Ra. I. A thi ri. A ri. So a ri in English is root. Root. Okay, so next one. Next one is a da. A da. A. Da. A the da. A da. This one is easy, right? A da. So a da in English is theirs. When someone have something that belongs to them, we say theirs in English, right? In this case, in Korean, we say a da. A da. Okay. Next one is a ki. A ki. A. Ga. I. A thi. Ki. A ki. A. Ga. I. A thi. Ki. A ki. So a ki is in English meaning core, to the core. So you can say core, or it's either middle of something, or when you said tasaki in English is the core of the fruit. So aki, core. Tida, ta, e plus he, ti. Da, the, da, ti, da. Ta, e plus he, ti. Da, the, da, ti, da. So Korean tida in English is hit. Si, sa, si, sa. Sa, e plus e, si. Sa, the, sa. Si, sa. Sa, e plus he, si. Sa, the, sa. Si, sa. So si, sa in English is to bear children. Okay. Siya, siya. Sa, e the, si. Ya, K.W.O siya. Sa, e the, si. Ya, K.W.O siya. So siya in English is give me a massage. Ya is me. So si is massage. So give me a massage. Next one is berdebaha. Berdebaha. Ber, de, ba, hathi, ba. Ha plus he, ha. Berdebaha. Ber, de, ba, hathi, ba. Ha plus he, ha. Berdebaha. So berdebaha in English is we don't have to go, or we don't go. Next one, babamitha. Ba, ba, hathi, ba. Ma, e, mi. Tha plus he, tha. Babamitha. Ba, ba, hathi, ba. Ma, e, mi. Tha plus he, tha. Babamitha. So babamitha is ba is we or us. Mitha is satisfied or content. So next one. Yepadiha. Ye, pa, a, pa. Da, e, the, di. Ha plus he, ha. Yepadiha. Ye, pa, a, pa. Da, e, the, di. Ha plus he, ha. Yepadiha. So when you said yepadiha in Korean, in English is meaning my uncle went out. Uncle. Yepadi is my uncle. Padi ni uncle. And ye is me. So my uncle went out. Okay, so next one. Yuri yeba. Yuri yeba. Ye, ra, e, the, ri. Ye, ba, a, ba. ri ba ga I thi ri ba ba ri ba. So ba is my strength. Okay, so next one is aritia. Aritia. Ga I thi ri ta I plus he t aritia. Ga I thi ri ta I plus he t aritia. So aritia in English is multi-root or multi-foundation. Okay, so ari, if you remember in here, is root. A is a lot or multi. Aritia is multi-root or multi-foundation. Okay, let's move on to the bonuses. Bonus number 1, head. Head in Korean is ko. Ko. K.W.O 하thi ko. K.W.O 하thi ko. So number 2, face. Face is metha. Metha. Ma athi me tha hathi tha me tha ma athi me tha hathi tha me tha. Face me tha. Number 3, shoulder. Shoulder in Korean is pibako. Pibako. Pa I P ba hathi ba. K.W.O hathi ko. Pibako. Pa I P ba hathi ba. K.W.O hathi ko. Pibako. Shoulder, pibako. Number 4, hand. Hand in Korean is su, or if you want to say it casually, you say ju. Sa, u, su. But when you see it in the text or in the books, it's gonna say su. But when you wanna, like talk to a person, like, oh, I like your hand, or your hand is so pretty, and you don't say nasu. I mean, people say it, but not many use it. We only the common way to use su is ju. Okay, number 5, chest. Chest in Korean is thanabra. Thanabra. Tha plus tha. Na ana ba ga athi bra. Thanabra. Chest, thanabra. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today, and I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next lesson. God bless.